Hello guys, and welcome back to Computing Empire channel. Majority of students and employers nowadays are finding difficulties to convey certain information into PowerPoint slides, where they should include some pictures or a brief description next to it, which is exhausting, I believe, as I remember myself in the past being and going through the same moment. Therefore, I'm going to explore another Windows 10 feature today, which is gonna make life much easier by using invisible, cost-free software called Problem Steps Recorder, which is amazing, guys. All you need to do, guys, to launch this software and use its facilities is to press the Windows key again plus the R key on the keyboard in order to open the Run command line. Then you need to type PSR, which we said previously it stands for Problem Steps Record, and then hit enter. As you can see, guys, the software graphical user interface has been popped up. We have three buttons over here to interact with, which is the start record, stop record, add a comment, which later on, guys, I'm going to show you how to interact with this feature. For now, we just need to press on the little icon over here in order to go for the settings to do some modifications. Once the settings window has been displayed, you just need to click on the browse in order to navigate over where you want to save your file, which in my case I'm gonna click on desktop and I'm gonna just save it as new file. Then click on save. As you can see, guys, the file will be stored in a zip folder, which is going to be placed on the desktop. We have another option down here, which is giving the permission to the software to take screenshots of our screen. In our case, it's still yes. And down here we have the number of recent screen captures to store. So basically this tells the software how many pictures or screenshots you are allowed to capture during the process of recording. So we're gonna say the maximum, I believe, which is 25. I'm gonna click OK. And now, guys, we can interact with the program by clicking on the start record. As you can see here, the little red icon over here is indicating that the recording is under process. For now, we should do some actions so we can document them. So I'm gonna click and drag over this text file, and I'm going to interact with this website by clicking on some links over here, plans and pricing, and then I could add a comment. A comment here, guys, is gonna add a comment over the picture that has been captured. So I'll say, hi, it's me. Then I'll click OK. So now this comment is being added over one of the pictures in that moment when it's being captured and in the same moment where I added the comment. So now, guys, if you stop recording, then go to the desktop. As you can see, the zip folder is placed on our desktop. You just need to open it and then click on the extract all in order to extract the file over a certain place. In our case, we're gonna extract it into the desktop itself. So you just need to click extract. As you can see, the folder has been extracted and is being opened for us, and the file is inside it. So all you need to do, guys, now is just open the file by double click on it. And now here, guys, you can see all sort of information the software has captured for us in numerical order, which is step 1, step 2, and so on. This would include the date, the time, and the event we triggered, which is clicking over the document we have opened in order to drag over the text file over here. Then if you scroll down, guys, you could see all the sort of actions you have made while you were interacting with the Windows application or whatever was placed over your desktop. And all we are interested in now to check the comment you have made, guys, which I believe should be down there, which is right here. If you remember, I said, hi, it's me. The comment has been added in the moment where this picture has been captured. At this stage, guys, let's believe we have a technical issue in our computer and we want to ask an expert or someone who understands to solve computer issues using remote assistance method over internet connection. Users normally tend to interact and purchase software such as TeamViewer and remote utilities in order to solve these problems. However, and as usual, Windows 10 does provide Microsoft Remote Assistance software which create a safe environment to run this process. So to allow this, guys, you need to allow the person to remotely access your desktop or your computer using internet connection. However, there are some steps you need to do in order to allow that. Let's interact with the software by clicking on the Windows key again plus the R key to open the run command, and then all you need to type, guys, is msra, then click enter. And here the graphical user interface of the software is being displayed. You have two options over here: or to invite someone who you trust, who you believe he has the right to fix your computer, access your data or files on in your system. You have to click the first option in order to invite that person. And you have a couple of options over here. The easiest one, I believe, in order to send an invitation to someone to access your computer is using the email method, which is over here. All you need to do, guys, is just click on it and it's gonna open your email or the default email software in your system in order to send the email to the trusted person. And now the email software will be open. Here you go, guys, the software has been opened. All you need to do is type here next to the two the email of the person you want to send the invitation to in order to be allowed to access your computer. And all they need to do, guys, is just click on this link or download this file over here on their computer. Then go back to the main menu, guys, by closing this window, then going a few steps backward by clicking the letter R over here up to here, and then you have the second option over here, which in case you have the file which a person has sent it to you, in order to allow you as an expert to access their computer, you have to press on the second option in order to take the file which they have sent it to you and use it as a permission key in order to access their system. So all we need to do is to press second option, use the invitation file, and you need to go and browse to where you have downloaded that file from the email you have received from the person who sent it to you. In order to get the permission, as I said, and access their file, you click on the, let's say this is the file, you click on it and then you click open, and you are in their system and you have the full entire access visually as well in their computer. You could browse and use their stuff or fix an issue if it exists. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the tiny notification bell to get the latest computer tricks.